as I am wont. I want now in my song for a worthy servantess I want to make, but let no one think that I will ever that evil noise elsewhere nor in singing. For shame and harm seem to me in cowardice when a good lineage separates and one fails the other. For I see that the bastard attacks and cuts and is cut, and he has enough relatives, rich and at ease, and many others sworn, whose heart and courage fail them. So much hardship is to him war and putting up pledges. But in the case he was a messenger, then he removed himself from trouble. And Giraut at the mirror, Adam's his brother-in-law. But Bar is ruined, blames him for it, and I do too. For he's close to the count who takes away his inheritance. Befits a child to put away his arms when one wastes and destroys his most worthy friends. He and Rostan's more talkative than a grammarian, hold hostages for war, for neither trampling nor bell sound nor hauberk with hood was ever borne by them, nor their horses armed, nor blows received or given. But the Count holds in peace the castle of If the little Count of the pride that the Count shows him makes no better demand, know well that I am not one of his, rather I refuse him. For now he is beautiful and great, and in appearance savage to enemies, and power and lineage should strive for good worth, and war and battle like a young spurred-on man. Evil and fierce is fear, and he who is disinherited, who is humble and wants peace, let him now take whichever pleases him. I will sing, for so go the Baron's changing. For in Guillem's the news is himself of Montpellier, to whom we saw swear on saints, war and hatred, and he should follow the crusades of the bastard. But his heart is turned to another cut, and the Count is not of one garlic believed, nor his county. And then Bernard's, who is robbed of Anduze and outlawed, and has the covenants broken of the bastard and forgotten.
does not strike, nor does anyone strike him with hands or with lances. How many games and how many good vassalages he used to do, and it is a loss that he tires so quickly when he sees that someone surpasses his most worthy relatives and rests accused, and Gillam's are not slice, who is so poorly proven that one holds him for wicked.